How to send money by Remitly. In this video, we will show you step by step how you can send money through Remitly from a computer. If by watching all this video, you feel that we have helped you, please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel called Send Money Now, where every week we show you a new company to send money. We access the official Remitly website, the link we leave you in the description of the video, or directly access remitly.com. Once inside the official website, we will see the presentation of the service. Up here we can see the Remitly logo, so we know that we are on the official website. For the sector we can change the language of the website, in this case we have it in Spanish. Below, for this sector specifically, we have two options to select from. Here we select the country, where we are currently located, in this case the United States, but if we click here a list opens with all the countries from where you can use Remitly. If your country is not on this list, unfortunately you will not be able to send money through Remitly, but you may be able to receive it. Likewise, on the right we have a list of all the countries where we can receive money. This list is more extensive than the first. This means that many countries are suitable to receive money, but not to send money. Something that I have to highlight is the fact that money will soon be received through Remitly in new countries, such as Barbados. We go further down, because what we see here is also very interesting. Remitly informs us that we have several ways to receive the money. You can receive your money by bank deposit, also by payments at the window, that is, go to certain offices that have the Remitly service available. You can also receive the money by virtual wallet or in home payments. Attention, payment by virtual wallet and home delivery is only available for certain countries. The most popular and available money collection options are bank deposit and cash pickup. Alright, we head above again to create our totally free account. Press this button that says sign up. This box appears with the empty fields that we have to complete to make our registration. First we select the country where we want to send money. I will select Mexico. Then we enter our personal email that we use frequently. Remember that they will send you a confirmation code to your email. For this sector we create a new secure password. Here we retype the same password as confirmation. Finally we press the register button. We are already inside our Remitly account. This is the section to send money. Here we see the exchange rate that Remitly offers us, all with total transparency. It tells us that $1 is equivalent to 21.08 Mexican pesos. Here we write the amount in dollars that we want to send. Automatically Remitly calculates the amount of money that the recipient will receive in Mexican pesos. In this case, if we send $100, the recipient will receive 2108 Mexican pesos. The fee for this shipment would be $3.99. Below, we have to select the method of delivery of the money. This should be discussed with the other person and ask if they prefer a bank deposit or the withdrawal of cash in an agency. I will choose to select cash withdrawal as most people prefer that method at the moment. By selecting this option, the different money collection options that are available in Mexico are displayed. This will change according to the country where you send the money. For Mexico we have available Electra, Bankable, the OXXO chain, very popular by the way. In short, I will select OXXO. This means that the beneficiary of this payment must go to an OXXO to withdraw their money. They must present their identity document and a transactional code that we will send them. That transactional code gives us Remitly once we finish the transaction. After selecting OXXO, we click on Continue. Now is the time to provide all the details of the beneficiary, but pay close attention. Here, a message from Remitly, where they inform us that we must provide all the data of the other person, as it appears in their identification document, without spelling errors or any incorrect name. If you give this information wrong, the other person will not be able to withdraw the money. We write the full name, the full last name, the second last name, if you have the other person, and their cell phone number. A box appears here to check if we want Remitly to notify the recipient when the money reaches its destination. I recommend that you check it to have more information. Now we write here the city of the receiver and the state where he lives. We click on Continue. Now the most important moment has come, the time to pay for the transfer. You can pay with a debit or credit card, or perhaps a bank account. Debit card payments have no extra costs, while credit card payments have 3% more fees. If possible, make the payment with a debit card to save on your transfer. Finally, we provide our card information, card number, expiration date, security code found on the back of the card. name as it appears on the card, and that's it. We click on the Review and Send button. This is to check that all the data that we have provided for the shipment is correct. We click on the button to confirm the shipment, and that's it. We have successfully completed the transaction. At the end, Remitly will share with you the code of this transaction. This code must be sent to the person receiving the payment to present it at an OXXO or at the branch you have selected and can withdraw their money. Can I send money by Remitly from my cell phone? Yes, Remitly has its own mobile application, which we can download to our cell phone to make shipments. We will teach you how to send money from the Remitly application. Access the application store of your cell phone. There you should look for the Remitly name. This application will appear that you can see on the screen. You must install it and then open the application. The first thing that appears is the presentation. You have to click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Here we have to select the country from where we will send the money and here the country of destination of the money transfer. Once both countries have been selected, we click Next. In this window we have to provide our email and create a new password for our account. Finally, we click on Join Remitly. Next, quickly here appears the section where we have to write the amount of money we want to send. We write $100 and Remitly performs the conversion of the destination currency, indicating the amount of money that the recipient will receive. We go down to the bottom and click the Continue button. Here we have to choose the branch or agency where the recipient will receive the cash. This we have to consult with him for your convenience. We select Payment here. And in the next window we have to enter the names and surnames of the recipient as it appears in their personal identification document so that they can withdraw the money correctly. Remember that if you enter their name wrong, they will not be able to withdraw the money. We click on Continue. Here we write the recipient's cell phone number. Again we click on Continue. If you want to be notified when the money reaches its destination by means of a text message, press the option Yes please. In this window we write our name and surname. We click Continue, then we write all the information of our home address. We click Continue. We also have to provide our cell phone number. Now it is time to pay the transfer. You can pay with a debit card, credit, or bank account. We recommend that you pay for your shipment with a debit card so that no extra charges are generated. Here you must enter your card details. Finally, click on Review and Pay. Confirm payment, and that's it. Have we helped you? If so, please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel called Send Money Now, where every week we show you a new company to send money.